Machinery within manufacturing plants will produce high levels of vibration. These vibrations have a detrimental effect on machinery that operates side by side and can severely damage the health and well-being of factory workers. Machine-generated vibrations can also travel out through the ground and disturb buildings and residents nearby. Farrat offer a specialist vibration consultancy service, providing on-site vibration measurement to identify the specific source of vibrations and assess impact levels. The on-site measurements are then analyzed by Farrat engineers and used to calculate the most efficient option to isolate the relevant vibrations. Bespoke engineered solutions, such as isolated foundations, are manufactured and installed by Farrat engineers, who work alongside the design and production teams to improve manufacturing efficiency. As a result, machinery can operate in close proximity at optimum rates without accuracy or quality being compromised. The surrounding area also benefits, as buildings and residents remain unaffected by any vibrations, making lives better for everyone.